Okay, you guys, we're gonna finish up the advent calendar. It's so sad. We're coming in with days 22 through 24 of the Yesstyle advent calendar. Now, they don't have a day 25 like Stylevana, so they better come through next year, keep up with the competition. But let's come on into day 22. What do we have here? Oh, interesting. This is something called Noose Care Lipshual. Oh, the color is Coolish, a vegan formula. Let's see what it looks like. You know, I don't have any lip stains, lip colors to play around with, and I'm being sarcastic because you guys know I basically collect them at this point. What do we have here? Ooh, I really like this packaging. Check it out. Kind of looks like a nail polish bottle at first glance. It's nice and weighty, but not heavy. Look how the box opened up too. Isn't that something? How to use. Pop the seal. Pretty shade. Definitely gonna play around with that. I like this packaging. It's unique. Day 23, we have something from Numbuzzin. A vitamin concentrated serum, brightening antioxidant. And then it says glutathione. I really appreciate that they package this in a little receptacle to keep it clean until you're ready to use it. Looks like a serum. This is free of fragrance, packed with a lot of ingredients that are good for dark spots, including niacinamide, glutathione, licorice root. It also has tranexamic acid. Seems to be promising for the moisture barrier, which ultimately can cut down on irritation. Also has alpha-arbutin, good for dark spots. Now it's got a lot of hydrating ingredients. It has beta-glucan, bifidoferment lysate, sodium hyaluronate. It's got niacinamide, if I didn't already mention that. 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. That's a stable form of vitamin C, may help as an antioxidant. I look forward to trying this. I haven't had great luck with Numbuzzin. I tried a few of their serums, toners I want to say, a couple of years ago, and they were not so great for me, but I'm going to give this a try. Apply an appropriate amount and gently spread it along the skin texture and pat it lightly to absorb it. All right, then we have day 24, the final day. Where's it at? Where's it at? Over here with a little Christmas tree. Looks like something in the makeup category. Oh, how pretty is that packaging? Dacique. 9 sweet shades, ice cream palette, candy berry. Ooh, look how it comes out like in an envelope. Wow. This almost looks like something you would encounter in one of those fancy chocolate shops. Eyeshadow. Ooh, I'm stoked to try this because I love pinks and browns a lot. Candy berry. This is berry banana, whipping berry, pink star, strawberry cheesecake, cherry chips, strawberry, caramel, real choco, and choco berry cake. So pretty. All right, y'all. Yesstyle did not disappoint, although I got some competition because Stylevana came in with 25 days of Christmas this year. They gave us an extra product. The heat is on. All right, I just put tretinoin on and a little of the vegan rice milk from Goodall, the skin barrier. This alone, I'd be golden. I'd be good to go. Like, I don't really need anything else, okay? It's just basic moisturizer, tretinoin. Honestly, tretinoin cream for me, I find
sometimes I can get away with that being honestly my only nighttime skincare routine, other than, you know, the cleansing that I do to wash my face, because I feel like it's decently moisturizing. I still find that I really benefit from using a moisturizer. I get a lot of bang for my buck out of just a basic moisturizer, along with my tretinoin cream all the time. And then of course I'm always trying things out. And last night, those of you who watched the vlog, I came in as a final step with this collagen night wrapping mask. And I don't know, it didn't register when I was putting this on last night, although it says clear as day on the instructions, and I know I've seen people hyping this up on TikTok. The next morning, this wrapping mask, it's a peel-off mask, which, Freeman, where are you? Who is here in my 2018, 2019 Dollar Tree shopping videos? We could not get away from Freeman. Freeman wasn't just at Dollar Tree. Those masks were at Walmart. They were at Five Below. They were in the drugstore. And it dawned on me as I was peeling this off, because that's what it is, I haven't seen Freeman in a hot minute. I need to, as I'm telling you guys this, I need to do a little bit of research to find out what has become of Freeman in their many mud, clay, peel-off masks of wonder. I mean, they have had a super loyal following. Like, anytime a Freeman mask would come up in one of my videos, I would get people being like, I've tried that, I love it, it's my holy grail. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, and I didn't even realize it because I've never really been one to use those masks. It dawned on me as I was peeling this stuff off. So Freeman, good news, did not go out of business. They appear to be still thriving and jiving. I don't know if they have just cut ties with Dollar Tree. Honestly, I haven't been in a Five Below in a hot minute, because is it just me? Five Below is more like 10 Below. I digress. As you can see, they've got new moisture mask face set. Looking exciting. Now, all of these are pretty much laden with fragrance, but I go over here to the search bar and look at this, you guys. Unplug my keyboard. Peel off. What do we have here? So I kind of think this Medicube brand is ripping off Freeman, because Freeman has been making glorified rubber cement for at least 2 decades now. And they've got a full portfolio here. I mean, look, you could put different colors all over your face and peel that off. You've also got, of course, you're gonna have some charcoal, right? Volcanic ash. You're gonna have pink clay to peel off. Then the cucumber, that's a lot like what we're dealing with here now. So yeah, long story short, this is not a novel formulation, this wrapping mask. It's just an old school peel off and appeal, no pun intended, to our love of dried glue on our hands and peeling it off. And if you know, you know. A pastime that filled our school days with joy. And this was pre-smartphone, pre-social media, pre-internet. Just some kids, some glue with questionable fumes, putting it all over our hands. Look at this. You even have this exotic mask blends mask kit where you get Australian aloe, you get Hawaiian black salt, and you get the French pink clay, and you get something to smear it on with, which, let me tell you, I would have appreciated that with this collagen wrapping mask. And this 3 set says you can get it, claims to still be at Walmart. What's the going rate on the Amazonian? $9.99 for the exotic blends. I'm not endorsing this, but yeah, $9.99. What else is new from Freeman? Puffs and Stuff, powder puffs plus a liquid sponge set. All right, makeup sponges. Me Time facial mask kit. The aloe jelly one's new. So is the Hawaiian black salt. Ooh, an Indian turmeric gel cream mask. Shop by concern. All right. There you have it, folks. Freeman is still in business. Comment below on if you are a Freeman loyalist. Guys, I gotta tell you something. It dawned on me that I haven't seen Freeman in a hot minute. What I was gonna tell you, I just saw going across the fence out of my window, the silhouette of what I thought was a cat until it kept walking and it had a tail that was a touch too long and a touch too, oh, here it comes, back the other way. Ladies and gentlemen, it is possum and biscuits. Again, delicacy in the South, possum and biscuits. No, I'm not advocating eating that. I did know people who ate that. Haven't met anyone who's talking about that. Obviously, it's not vegan. Although, I don't know. The thing that I remember being told back in the day, and I don't know if it was a legit thing people did. And, you know, it sounds funny, but, I mean, sometimes people get where they don't have access to food. I think people used to talk about eating roadkill in the South when I was growing up, like eating possum that they found on the side of the road. And there was this local radio station, you know that song Passionate Kisses? Passionate Kisses. Well, they did a spoof of that, singing Possum and Biscuits. Couldn't we have steak? Couldn't we have cake? Why must you always make me possum and biscuits? But it was like a legitimate thing people would eat. Comment below. I'm not making this up. But comment below on if you've ever heard that. Anyway, I just saw one of our little friends dancing across the fence. Like he lives here. I don't know what he's rummaging around because I took my trash can out. There's no trash can back there for him to go in. Possums are freaky deaky, let me tell you. They are a little freaky. Their eyes, yeah, they scare me. And the whole pouch thing also kind of freaks me out. Leave them alone. They're not hurting anybody. But they are, I think they can be pretty angry if one of your pets comes in contact. And of course they can carry all sorts of, you know, cooties. But yeah, I wonder if he'll dance on across the other way. That is something. All that to say, so in summary, as I ramble on, in summary, A, kind of didn't realize this is a peel-off mask, but it is. B, what happened to Freeman? C, there's a possum dancing across my fence outside. And D, when I was growing up, I was told and knew of, legitimately, people who ate possum off the side of the road. If you're taking notes, write that down, Newsy Noel, because front page news, ladies and gentlemen, front page news. We've got a couple of articles here in the in our publication on what's going down in Dr. Dre Town. The peel-off mask is kind of, it's almost ironic because, like I was saying, Freeman disappeared. And I was always pointing out how the peeling off mask, which was always marketed as something to like clear out your pores, right? You put on this mask, let it dry, and then peel it off. I always said like, that's kind of goofy. Like, it's kind of like peeling off rubber cement. Fast forward, we got a new peel off mask in town. Instead of claiming to be for pores, that you're gonna peel out the gunk, this one is claiming to be good for moisturizing the skin, which, I mean, it does create a nice film to reduce transepidermal water loss as you sleep, but peeling it off, I gotta say, I need to use it a couple more times before I reach a final conclusion on it, But I was not, when I peeled this stuff off this morning, I was not thinking like, oh wow, look how radiant and glowing my skin looks. So first impression, I found it underwhelming, okay? In comparison to a bib, this jelly barrier mask doesn't do the peel off thing. This gets results in terms of hydration, barrier repair. But that peel off thing, I was like, wait, is this that TikTok thing? Yep, it is. Yep, it is. Yeah, see, like right now, I'm already kind of feeling it tied down. Interesting. That being said, I really do like that Biodance collagen mask. That's more of a sheet mask that dries down. You can wear it overnight, it stays in place, and then you take it off. That definitely did perk up my skin. I mean, you guys saw the review. This, I don't know, I put it on a little thicker because what happened was when I woke up in the morning, it was already like peeling off in parts where I think I put it on a little too thin. So I put it on nice and thick, like here on my cheeks. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated in the vlogs, of course, but I will give, probably in one of my Fast 5 videos, I'll give a more thorough like analysis. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Hopefully that possum doesn't break in and we have a showdown. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.